What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, back with another Datsun video. Today we're going to be unboxing this big box right behind me. I got it from the Z store. I bought a duckbill and a front air dam for the Datsun. I think it's the MSA duckbill. Pretty sure it's the MSA duckbill. I'll put the links down below of exactly what part it is. But yeah, let's just jump right into it. So these are the two pieces. This is I got the paperwork right here. This is the air dam with no ducts, and that is the MSA Victory spoiler right behind it. Luckily, the spoiler came with hardware. I'm assuming going back to drilling holes into cars and stuff. Hello, darkness, my friend. Let's see if we can try to mount this up, see what it looks like. So I actually can't like mock up the front air dam because we have the stock air dam still on there. But you can kind of like get a gist of how much more it pokes out. Like it almost pokes out all the way to the, to the point where the front bumper pokes out at. But it looks way better, and I can't wait to put this on. And then for the duckbill, oh yeah, it just looks like, without the louvers too. I mean, you guys can tell me all day that, I made a mistake by taking the louvers off, but this just looks way cleaner. And then once it's all like one color, I mean, this two-tone colorway we got going on looks kind of cool itself, but once it's all one color, man. So yeah, I just quickly mocked it up with some masking tape, but you guys get the vision, you know what I'm saying? So that's probably gonna do it for this video. I know it was just an unboxing, but I'm gonna try my best to keep this in parts and easily accessible. So that way, if people want to look it up, I don't want somebody to think that they're about to watch a duckbill install, but the first 4 or 5 minutes is a unboxing. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna just cut it right there. We'll make a part 3. I'll probably start with the duckbill because it seems a little more easier to do than the front air dam. So yeah, that'll probably be the next video. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button. I'm liking where this is going with the Datsun. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe once again. And that's gonna do it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.